Good day, awesome people. My name is Natasha. We're doing another beach themed soap. This time we got it outfitted with sand, shells, and a gorgeous scenery picture in the front. Let's get into the video. I'm starting with my soap in beds that's going to go at the top because once the soap is wet, I do not want to be fumbling around trying to get my decorations at the top. My first layer that's going to go at the bottom of the soap is a sand layer, and in this layer I'm going to be adding some walnut shells. These are crushed pulverized shells. They're soft to the touch and they scrub away dead skin, oil, and dirt. This is going to add a little bit more depth to the soap and make it look like actual sand. The next layer I'm going to show you is the beach water that's going to appear underneath the hammock that I'm creating. So I want this layer to be kind of like a lightish color because I will eventually create a beach water that's further away, and I want that to be a little dark. My next layer is the hammock. And I didn't really go too crazy with this. I did create a scraper, a soap scraper for it to kind of give it that shape. But I didn't go too crazy with it because I figured I can do some finishing touches at the end. The next layer is the top of the hammock, which is the beach water that's appearing in the distance but above the hammock. My next layer is the sky, and I had a round in bed that I poured soap in to make a sun. I'm just trying to create a like sunrise, sunset scenery to the soap. My next layer, you guys, are the shells at the top of the soap. My goodness. So what I didn't show you is I took all my soap embeds, I put it in a bag with a little glitter, and I shook it up because I wanted that gloss sheen to it, kind of like when the sun is rising or setting and the sun is shining on the wet shells and it has like that shine to it. Oh my gosh, it came out so nice. Then, to add a little texture, I got my pink Himalayan salt and I put it on top to make it appear like sand. And oh my goodness, it just topped off this soap, you guys. Look at how gorgeous the top of this soap looks. Look at the sides. It looks like it's going to be so pretty when I cut into it. Whoa. Look at this soap. It cured so nice. I almost don't want to cut it, you guys. I almost do not want to cut it. And it smells awesome, you guys. I use Orange Blossom by Nature's Garden and it smells beautiful. If you are wondering why I turned the soap to the side, it's because I have all of that Himalayan pink salt at the top and I don't want to drag that through the soap as I cut it, as it will cause ugly scrape marks throughout the soap bar. So are you guys ready for the soap cut? All right now, hold on to your limbo legs. First of all, the sand, the water, the sun, the skyline is just banging right now. It's doing it. I can see it. I can see the picture. The hammock is a little wonky, but I'm gonna fix that towards the end. And look at the top of this sandy soap. Oh my gosh. This looks like real sand. These look like real shells. This is a beautiful soap. Oh my goodness. But why my hammock look like a floating raft in the water though? I mean, I'm gonna fix it, but I think it's fine. We're gonna find a tree and we're gonna attach this hammock to a tree and we're gonna make sure you understand the assignment of this soap. So as usual, we're going to do some cleanup on aisle 7 and get these edges nice and sharp. We're going to add some scenery and texture to this soap, and we're going to bring it to the next level. Clean up on aisle 7, please. Clean up on aisle 7. We need some scenery and texture to this soap to make it feel like we want to relax. We about had it with 2025 and all the craziness this year. Please hurry. It's now time to clean up on aisle 7, and you guys, at this moment, I wasn't sure what I was going to do. So what I did is I beveled the sides, and I decided that I was going to add some scenery to this soap to make it look like a relaxing time on the beach. If you're interested in seeing how I was able to take soap and draw on the cold processed soap the images of the hammock and the hat and the tree and the leaves, click on the top video at the end, or I'll leave the link inside the description box below. Protect your beautiful skin and your beautiful energy. Please click on my videos, watch them a ton of times, like, share, and subscribe. And I'll see you guys on the next one. Ciao for now.